Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be learning about how to solve linear quadratic equations by the method of graphing. So we're going to be seeing lots of videos about different methods in which we can solve linear quadratic equations, and in this video we're going to focus on graphing. So let's begin. Guys, whenever we're solving a linear quadratic equation, it's very important that we remember what is actually a linear quadratic equation system, right? So you're always going to be given, in this type of situations, you're always going to be given a linear equation, right? Which you are going to graph because this method is graphing, right? So you're going to be given an equation with a positive slope, a linear equation with a positive slope, or a negative slope, right? And then you're going to graph it. You're also going to be given a quadratic equation, right? Which is going to be a parabola. It can open upwards or downwards because this is a function, correct? Now, it is very important that you remember that whenever you have both a linear and a quadratic equation, this is called a linear quadratic system of equations, right? Then you're gonna see by graphing them and overlapping the two functions, one next to the other one, what are going to be your solutions for that problem, right? So, for example, in the first case, we graph, in this case is a positive parabola, a parabola that opens upwards, and then we have a linear equation, and then you're going to see that there's two intersections. Because there's two intersections, this is the same as saying that the system has two solutions, right? Which is what we see here. So the two solutions are going to be actually the values of x that touch the graph. So for example, if here we have a value of x equal to 3, and here we have a x equal to 5, then 3 and 5 are going to be the two solutions of the equation, right, of the system, right? We can also have something else. Maybe we have a quadratic equation, which again in this case gives us a parabola that opens upwards, and a linear equation, and there's just one point. That means that there's just going to be one solution for this quadratic linear system of equations. And then we can also have the case where they do not touch at all. So in this case, for example, we have a parabola that opens downwards and the linear equation with a negative slope. And since there is actually no intersection between the two of them, we say that this has no solutions, right? I think we're ready for an example. Let's try that one. So in this case, we are already given the shape of the parabola of the quadratic equation and also the form and the shape of the linear equation, right? So in this case, we have a parabola that opens downwards, and we also have the straight line of the linear equation. The first thing you notice is that they touch each other in 2 points, right? And because of what we saw, we know that if they touch each other 2 times, that means that we have 2 solutions. Now, which are those 2 solutions? In order to know, we have to find, as I was telling you guys, the value of x. So in this case, we have the first one and then we have the other one. So here we have an x equal to 0, then this one is -1, -2, -3, -4, and then we have that this one is x equal to -5. That means that since they touch each other, they overlap in x equal to 0 and x equal to -5, those are going to be the two solutions for this system of equations. Now guys, tomorrow and the day after that, we're going to be seeing the same thing. We're going to be seeing different examples of problems of solving linear quadratic equations by graphing, and we're going to see how that goes. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!